So in my last video, I talked about people who might want to set up Arch Linux or indeed their window manager without having to do the manual installation. They just want it to work out the box. They just want to do an easy install. And I kind of get that. It's not the best way, I think, to learn Linux and to use Linux. However, I understand some people just want to set up things out of the box. That's fine. Now, I feel a bit bad that I showed you Manjaro Linux, as Manjaro has a kind of bad reputation these days. It's seen as an easy way to use an Arch Linux install, but it's kind of now out of date in the sense of it's not what the cool kids are using. And yeah, there's been some issues with it over the years. However, it does have either i3 or Sway out the box with an ISO built using either Sway or i3 the moment you run the ISO. However, all the cool kids now are using CachyOS, of course, that you can see on the screen. And hey, CachyOS, to be fair, does make it pretty easy to install i3 or Sway, or hey, if you want to use Hyperland, whatever, out of the box. I say out of the box, you actually have to install a package, but it's pretty easy. So I'm just going to cover that today. So it's no real big deal for, let's say, non-advanced users. And the thing with CachyOS, it's now got its reputation of being like the faster version of Arch Linux because of their custom drivers, custom kernel, and so forth. So yeah, if you're one of the cool kids, use CachyOS. And hey, even if you're one of the coolest kids, you can use TTYSH, which, hey, maybe I'll do a video on that. And you can use it on CachyOS. It will probably be even faster than Arch Linux and TTYSH if you have a powerful machine. So, right, simple enough. So when you boot up your CachyOS ISO, obviously I'm not covering how to set up an ISO on like a USB key. I've done videos on that in the sense of like my Arch install. If you want to see how to do that, look at one of my original videos, one of my first videos, and or there's plenty online, but it's pretty simple, okay? One thing I can't really help you with there, but it's easy enough. I have done a video on it. I digress. I keep going on. Let's get into this. Damn. Okay. So this will come up automatically. Welcome to CachyOS. Like a lot of Linux distros, just click Launch Installer. Okay. And then once the launch installer starts, you'll be given a choice. Choose bootloader or /edition. Now, Grub is like the classic Linux one. I don't know what Limine is. I know there's like system deboot or whatever. Just go with Grub. It covers your BIOS and or UEFI if you're on a more modern machine. So I'm just going to do Grub. And then it's just really your simple setup. Like a lot of Linux distros, it's pretty simple. So just go through all of these settings and then next. And then when we get to the choose what your window manager or let's say desktop is, we'll cover that as well. And so now we're to the, let's say, desktop tab, and this is where you're going to choose what desktop you want to use with CachyOS. Although really we're talking here about window manager. So what we're going to do is we're going to go down to Sway and click on Sway, and then tell a bit about Sway, and then hit next. And then you've got like additional packages. So they've got like a default here. So CachyOS packages, shell configuration, base development common packages. And then I assume have Sway on here. And you've got specific microcode update packages, and you've got Firefox and language support. Okay, so again, you can add whatever you want here, printing support, accessibility tools. And of course, you can install more than one window manager or more than one desktop. It's completely up to you. Neary. No, we don't want that. Okay, let's hit next. And then obviously you've got your usual things. So put in your name if you want to, or whatever name you want to put in. And then obviously put in a password. Okay, and then it just gives you a little summary. I'm just going to hit install. And obviously click install now. Okay, so when you get your prompt saying all done, you're going to restart your computer. Okay, so just click on restart now, type done or hit done. Okay, so you don't get like a cliche greeter in the CachyOS Sway install. So you just got your terminal. So log in on your terminal as you put in your name and your password. So once you've logged in, Sway won't actually start up straight away. You will actually be given your TTY with a kind of cringe, I have to say. What do they call it? I can't remember what they call it, but it gives you all like the system information. I never use these things. I always found them cringe, but hey, some people like it. A lot of people like it. So how do you start up Sway? Well, you're going to have to type in Sway, okay? So hit Sway, type in Sway and start up Sway. And that is Sway, okay? So what they've done is they've kept it pretty minimal. So you've got a bar at the top. So this is more minimal than Manjaro. You've got your time and date, and then you've just got your workspace. So usual things apply and so forth, you know, opening terminal, power key, whatever. I'm not going to go into all of this, and I'm going to X out that. And interestingly, I think I can notice something strange about the shell. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, you're not going to worry about this because it's not going to matter to you. But it's using fish shell, which makes me want to throw up in my mouth a little. But there we go. It's fish shell, which, you know, is kind of popular now. I don't care for it. I don't even care for Z shell, which is fine. But yes, so it's got fish shell. Now, I'm sure I'll get maybe comments defending fish shell, and maybe some people will highlight that it's not POSIX compliance. And yeah, I prefer Bash. I know actually Bash isn't technically completely POSIX, whatever, but fish shell is just kind of crazy anyway. Yeah, so we'll leave it there. So now you can run the latest, what do you call it? Latest cool distro, CachyOS. And it seems to be, it's got some nice optimizations. So see how you get along with it. There's Sway. Maybe we should do TTYSH on CachyOS. Maybe I'll do that in the next video. Who knows? Anyway, we'll leave it there. So, you know what to do with the fake YouTube? Like, comment, subscribe. And I want to give special thanks to my patrons. That's Sean, that's HTX80Nerd, and that is Sol. Thank you guys very much. And I'll see you in the next one.